Daily Bible Reading, September 25, 2025. Thursday of the 25th week in Ordinary Time. Lectionary, 452. Reading 1. Haggai 1 verses 1 to 8. Now thus says the Lord of hosts, consider your ways. You have sown much, but have brought in little. You have eaten, but have not been satisfied. You have drunk, but have not been exhilarated. Have clothed yourselves, but not been warmed, and whoever earned wages earned them for a bag with holes in it. Thus says the Lord of hosts, consider your ways. Go up into the hill country, bring timber, and build the house that I may take pleasure in it and receive my glory, says the Lord. Responsorial Psalm. Psalm 149:1b2, 3-4, 5-6a and 9b. C4a. The Lord takes delight in his people. Sing to the Lord a new song of praise in the assembly of the faithful. Let Israel be glad in their Maker, let the children of Zion rejoice in their King. The Lord takes delight in his people. Let them praise his name in the festive dance, let them sing praise to him with timbrel and harp. For the Lord loves his people, and he adorns the lowly with victory. The Lord takes delight in his people. Let the faithful exult in glory, let them sing for joy upon their couches, let the high praises of God be in their throats. This is the glory of all his faithful. Alleluia. The Lord takes delight in his people. Alleluia. John 14 verse 6. Alleluia, alleluia. I am the way and the truth and the life, says the Lord, no one comes to the Father except through me. Alleluia, alleluia. Gospel. Luke 9 verses 7-9. Herod the Tetrarch heard about all that was happening, and he was greatly perplexed because some were saying, John has been raised from the dead, others were saying, Elijah has appeared, still others, one of the ancient prophets has arisen. But Herod said, John the first beheaded. Who then is this about whom I hear such things? And he kept trying to see him.